Oh, hi! Welcome back to another Veganuary video. I think this is, let's see, is this day 15? Oh my goodness. Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. We're like halfway there. So today I am cooking out of a cookbook that is online because they don't actually have a physical cookbook. And the name of the website is Healthy Vegan Mama. She also has a YouTube channel as well. I got the 15 recipe mini cookbook just for subscribing online. I'll leave a link in the info box for the website and the YouTube channel. She's got, well, first of all, her name is Tia, and she's got a lot of great recipes for weight loss. She is low calorie density weight loss, so lots of veggies, high carb, all that. You know. If you know, you know. So today, I'm trying to find it on my phone. I'm making the 50-minute vegan red beans and rice. She posted this recipe on 4/29/2020. So it's an oldie but a goodie. I saw, I guess, a revised recipe without the sausage in it, but I like the sausage. I'm going to start off by cooking my Beyond sausage. I'm going to cook it in my oven instead of in the pan with the beans because I feel like more of the oil will come out in the oven, and I could leave that in the pan and then just slice it up and put it in with the beans. So I'm going to start over here. Let's get it in the oven without dropping it on the floor. Do you think I could do it? I hope so. Alright, that's the first step. Complete. I'm also going to make some rice to go with it because it's red beans and rice. So let me get that going in the rice cooker, and then I'll show you the rest of the ingredients for the bean pot. Alright, sausage is in the oven. Rice cooker is started with the rice. I'm going to start off my Dutch oven with one chopped up onion. I have 2 chopped up peppers. You're supposed to use, this is like the janky version of red beans and rice because I don't have the green pepper. I only have red and yellow or orange. And I don't have the Creole seasoning, so I'm gonna I'm gonna janky it up with some tahini. And it's probably the totally wrong thing to put in there, but that's what we're having. And what else was I gonna put in there instead of the tahini? Oh, now I forgot. I'll think of it. Oh, some cumin. I think some cumin will help the situation out a little bit, so I have some of that. Yeah, let me check back after I get my pepper and onion sauteed. This is looking pretty good. I'm going to put in my 28-ounce can of tomatoes. I'm also going to put in 1 bouillon cube, veggie of course, and then 2 bay leaves. Here goes the tahini. I hope this wasn't a mistake, but I guess we'll find out. Do I need to put in a lot? I wish you guys could tell me in real time. I think it's pretty spicy, right? So I don't want too much. I mean, I guess I could probably add some later on if I really wanted to. Because people put that on like fruit and stuff. I'm going to put in like a tablespoon of cumin. I'm going to put in 4 cups of water because I want this to like cook down after I put the beans in. I'm putting 5 cans of beans in. Red kidney beans, dark red kidney beans. I only have 1 open so far. Obviously they're drained because I'm not putting in all of the aquafaba. So I have 4 more cans to go in. I'm going to bring that up to the boil. And then I'm going to back off on the temperature and just let it simmer until the sausage are ready. The sausage is out of the oven. I started cutting it up. I'm going to also put in the garlic at this point. It's simmering away over here. Actually, it's boiling away. I'm going to turn it down a little bit more. I'm going to get the rest of the sausage cut up and put in there. I have 6 more minutes left on the rice cooker. I think I might actually let it go a little bit longer than 6 more minutes. Maybe another 15 minutes. See what happens. I don't want it too soupy. I should have gone with 2 cups of liquid, but I was trying to follow the recipe and they said 32 ounces, so maybe it'll thicken up a lot. I don't know. We'll have to see. Oh, look who stumbled into the kitchen. It's really, really, really hot.
It's too hot to eat.
No, you have to eat it. Just blow on it a lot. So we have the rice over there. I did let it go another 10 minutes extra. I feel like it's one of those dishes that it's always going to be better the next day. It looks really good though. Smells great. Hot, huh? Sorry. It's really hot. You want any lemon?
Maybe. Or mustard or something.
Mustard? I don't want that. But I will gladly get you some mustard. Maybe you could even put cilantro if you wanted. But what do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
I don't think anybody heard you.
I said it is good.
Okay, well enjoy then.
I'm going to.
There's a lot going on right now, guys. Sorry. This was all very hectic and confusing and
Just like any other day. Huh?
just like any other day here. So, thanks for watching, if you could. What are you waiting for? You already had your dinner. You said, I want a bowl of that stuff. I want it. Alright, so it's 9 o'clock. I'm going to eat my dinner. I want to thank everybody for watching. And that was from the... We're watching a thing about the LA fires right now. Yeah, you need a bowl cozy. This was from Healthy Vegan Mama website and YouTube channel, so I'll leave a link in the info box below. And I'll be back with day 16 tomorrow. And until then, much love.